Hello everyone, this is the ULTAC Cold Press Juicer. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside the box, you get the user manual, the cleaning brush, and the upper components including the auger, juicing base, and 5.8-inch feed chute. It also comes with the juice and pulp containers as well as the main juicer base. This juicer is made from some high quality solid materials and I can't wait to see how it performs. Assembly is quick and simple. Just place the juicing body with the auger onto the base. Twist on the feed chute until it locks and position the juice and pulp cups by the spouts. Within seconds you're ready to juice. With its extra wide feed chute, this juicer handles whole fruits and vegetables with less prep. Today, I'm starting off with some fresh oranges. Once they're loaded up, flip on the switch and watch the machine go to work. On one side, the dry pulp is automatically separated, while on the other, pure, smooth juice collects with no foam and no separation. That's the power of cold press technology. Once the ingredients are all grinded up, open the juice spout to release the juice into the cup. The yield on these 3 oranges is impressive, filling up the cup completely. Next, let's try out one of my personal favorites: celery, lime, and ginger. Just like before, simply drop everything into the feed chute and give it a whirl. The pusher is helpful to guide the fruits and veggies towards the auger. There's an opening at the top of the feed chute that can be used to add more ingredients mid-process without stopping the machine. Need to loosen things up? Just press the reverse button to spin the auger in the opposite direction. This particular juicer seems to be a lot faster and quieter than other models I've tested. The large components really make a huge difference in the performance. Smooth, refreshing, and nutrient-packed every time. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Thanks for watching.